How to use Xbox Series S controller without batteries. So as you can see here, I don't have any batteries in my Xbox Series S controller, but I will be able to use it, and how I'm going to do that is by either having a USB to USB-C cable, so your regular USB port that you'll put into the back of your computer, or one of these ones here, which is USB-C to USB-C, so you can see they're both the same. So either one of those wires, what you're going to want to do is for the USB-C part, you want to go ahead and put that into the controller itself, like so, in that little slot at the top part of the controller there. So that's one half of it, and the other half you're going to want to slot into the back of your monitor itself. So you might have a USB, or you might have that USB-C like I do. Whatever it is, go ahead and put it into the back of your monitor, plug it in like so, and then once you've plugged it in, you can go ahead and press the Xbox button in the middle of your controller. Then it will turn on and it will work just like you have batteries. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.